G'day. Today I am flying in a helicopter. I'm gonna go faster than normal. Go shots it.
What are you doing there, Cleo?
Flying in a helicopter.
You're flying in a helicopter.
Press the button, drive.
Oh. Where are you going to fly to?
I'm flying to America.
And what are you going to do in America?
Play in the hot dog, get some food.
Oh.
And also go to the snow.
To where?
In the snow.
Into the snow. Oh, wow. We don't have any.
To make a snow angel.
A snow angel. Yes, we don't have any snow here where we live, do we?
No.
No.
It's just pretend.
Oh, are you nearly to America yet?
Yep.
How are you going to
Because
let?
America's far, far away.
It is far, far away.
That's my rocket blast.
Oh, I can hear a motorbike. But that's your rocket blast, is it?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Are we going to land soon?
Yes.
Okay.
Because otherwise we can't make it today. You'll just got off and go to America.
Okay.
I don't get one. Drive. Drive slowly. Because otherwise it will make a big noise and watch the video. Mommy, in an airplane it makes me sick.
Are you sure? Have you been on an airplane?
Yes.
Well, you did not get sick.
And I am on a helicopter.
And
On a helicopter I don't get sick.
No, helicopters are lots of fun, aren't they?
Yeah. Now I am a helicopter.
Cool. Can you see America? Are you there?
No.
No?
I'm starting again. Because I stopped. Because otherwise I'm going to fall in the left. And then I'm going to break my helicopter.
Oh, we don't want to do that.
Yeah, because then you won't be able to go to Aunt Jessica's house, right? No, America.
Yeah, we're going all the way to America.
Yeah, and then you can't drive back to Australia because you have nothing to drive.
Oh, if it breaks, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, she's going to be very careful. You're a great pilot.
Sure is. What a mean brother he is.
Alrighty. Are you nearly there? Shall we land soon?
I'm nearly there. Oh yeah, with that way. Oh yeah, I can see America. I can see America. Here you caught, Jackson. It's far, far away on a different planet. But it's in this planet anyway. So
On a
you're
different
in-
continent. All the way across the
Just
ocean.
make it look like you said again.
Okay.
Second.
No hitting. That's not nice. Okay.
Wait, no, I know that. Back over there so far.
Okay, well, turn around and land.
Turning, 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 turning. I can't go the other way, otherwise I can't push my airplane. It might fall.
Okay.
Oh, stop!
Ooh.
Get a Wi-Fi.
Okay. Time to land.
Nearly there.
Nearly there?
Yeah.
And how are we going to land?
Well, we land like we stop 9 here.
How exciting.
Stop by aeroplane. Now let's go to Daniel and Jessica.
Okay, what do you say to the people who are watching your video? Come closer.
Thanks for watching this video and make sure never give up. Bye.